Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play LEGO Dimensions on PC using RPCS3. First, download the RPCS3 emulator from its official website and extract the compressed files. Next, you'll need the PlayStation 3 system software update file, which you can find on the official PlayStation support page. Once you have both, open RPCS3 and navigate to File, then install firmware, selecting the update file you just downloaded. This crucial step sets up the emulator's core functions. Now that RPCS3 is ready, it's time to add LEGO Dimensions. You can acquire the game file by dumping your own physical PlayStation 3 disc or by finding a compatible ISO online. Once you have the game file, simply drag and drop the game folder or ISO directly into the RPCS3 window. The emulator will then process and add the game to your list. Make sure any additional game data or downloadable content is also correctly installed for a complete experience. For the best LEGO Dimensions experience, some specific RPCS3 settings are crucial. Right-click on the game in RPCS3 and select Change Custom Configuration. Under the Network tab, set both Network Status and PSN Status to Disconnected to prevent soft locks. In the GPU settings, change Z-Cull accuracy to approximate to fix flickering lights. Finally, adjust the V-blank rate to 120 for smoother gameplay and higher frame rates. To fully enjoy LEGO Dimensions, you'll need to set up your controller and the unique toy pad. RPCS3 usually detects most controllers automatically, but you can fine-tune mappings in the Pads tab. For the toy pad, RPCS3 has a built-in emulator under Manage, then Dimensions Toy Pad. This allows you to virtually place characters and vehicles. You can even create blank tags within the emulator to customize your vehicle builds, just like with a physical toy pad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.